So hello everyone, my name's Luke, and I'm a graduate engineer working at Atkins in Swansea. I'm here to give you a glimpse of what working life is like in the civil engineering industry and where you could be in a few years' time. So, about me, who am I? So, as I say, I'm a Swansea University graduate. I graduated in June of this year. As I say, I work as a graduate engineer in Atkins. I started in September. So I sit in the bridges, civils and geomatics team in the transportation business. In layman's terms, I'm a structural engineer, basically. I work on bridges all across South Wales. And so just some key achievements about what I've achieved at university outside of my degree. Obviously, getting a degree is important, but there is life outside of uni. So I helped actually found the Civil Engineering Society in 2018. I'm the vice chair of the ICE Graduates and Students Committee in Swansea and West Wales. I ran a half marathon for a local charity in 2019. And as you can see in the picture, it's me and all of my mates. We won our Bay Cup in, I think I was in 2018 as well, 2019. It's basically a big sports day that we had when I was in my undergraduate degree. So my career path, as I say, I'm sure you can all read. You can have a quick glimpse of what I've been up to. But in summary, I spent all of my summers in my undergraduate degree on placement. So I didn't actually do a year in industry. I spent my summers working for Atkins, well, mostly anyway. So my first year was at Atkins in Chelmsford, which is where I'm from. The second year, I had an opportunity to work as a structural house surveyor, which is very interesting, very good job in South Wales, which made me want to actually stay here. In my third year, I managed to secure a placement in the structures team in the Swansea office. Now, as I say, I'm finishing my master's year. I managed to get a graduate placement in the Swansea office again in the structures team. So, working in the industry, the trifecta, there's like three parties that make a project work. So you see it in the blue, you've got the client. They're the boss, the big boss. In layman's terms, they tell you what they want done, whether that's a new bridge, a new hotel, a new building, or whatever. And they'll go with a consultant and they'll say, all right, we want you to design this and sort of define a scope and generally work from the early stages right through to detailed design. And then you'll have a contractor that comes in and they'll actually help build what you want to design. As you can see, there's some arrows that sort of almost indicate the traditional way of doing things, but in the modern age, I think roles can switch between different parties, so different companies, different organizations and things get involved in a lot of different things, and that's something that you'll learn more about when you come into university.